Unveiling the meaning of white meat. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have come across while exploring English menus, cooking shows, or during Thanksgiving dinner conversations. We're talking about white meat. What exactly does this phrase mean? And how is it used in everyday English? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this phrase and how to use it correctly in context. So, let's get started. The term, white meat, refers to the lighter colored meat of poultry, such as chicken and turkey, as opposed to the darker colored meat, often called dark meat. This distinction is primarily based on the amount of myoglobin, a protein in the muscle, which is higher in dark meat. White meat is found in the breast and wings of birds and is known for its lower fat content and milder flavor compared to dark meat. In culinary contexts, white meat is often considered healthier due to its lower fat content. It is a popular choice for those looking to reduce calorie intake without sacrificing protein. Chefs and home cooks alike may prepare white meat in various ways, including grilling, baking, and sautéing, to enhance its flavor while maintaining its health benefits. White meat also holds cultural significance, particularly in North American traditions like Thanksgiving, where the white meat of the turkey is often prized and may be offered to honored guests. The preference for white meat can vary culturally and geographically, with some preferring the juiciness and richer taste of dark meat. While white meat is primarily a culinary term, it's essential to note that in English, food-related phrases can sometimes take on idiomatic meanings or be used metaphorically. However, for white meat, such usage is rare, and it typically retains its literal meaning related to the type of meat. We hope this video has shed light on what white meat is and how it's perceived in different contexts. Whether you're ordering at a restaurant, cooking a meal, or simply expanding your English vocabulary, understanding terms like this enhances your cultural and linguistic knowledge. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon. Eat healthily and speak confidently.